Hi everyone, we've been talking about multiples of 10, and we said that multiples of a 10 are the answer to when you multiply numbers by 10. So today our lesson is going to extend on that, and we will be talking about how do you multiply by 10. And I'm going to show you like a little trick or a tip on how to multiply by 10. So first, let's just do a quick review on multiples of 10. Multiples of 10 always end in a 0 in the ones place. And we have 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Remember we said that 10 is a multiple of 10 because 1 times 10 is 10. And then 20 is a multiple, it's the answer to 2 times 10. 30 is a multiple of 10, it's 3 times 10. 40 is 4 times 10. 50 is 5 times 10. 60 is 6 times 10. 7 is 7 times 10. We also said that multiples of 10 can go into 3-digit numbers from 90 to 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. We said a number like 120 is actually 12 times 10, and this multiple of 10 is the answer to that equation. We also said these are some more multiples of 10, and this could go on and on and on, right? So let's move forward. We talked about number lines, and we talked about plotting numbers on the number line and finding the multiples of 10 that way, and also rounding. So today we will be talking about tricks for multiplying by 10. So what we're really doing now is we're looking for the multiples of 10 by using the equation to find them. An equation means this number sentence here or the story here, the story problem. So the first one is 23 times 10. One quick trick that you can do with this is you can just take the 23 and you can, let me grab something to write with. So I can just take this 23, I can't really swivel, take this, move it to the answer. And since we're multiplying by 10, 10 has 1 0, and I just add a 10 at the end. So the answer would be 230. Let's try 14 times 10. So I just take the number that is not a 10, which is 14, bring it over, and then since we're multiplying by 10, 10 has 1 0, I add a 0 at the end, and I end up with 140. Next one is 64 times 10. So I'm just taking the 64 over, and then I'm multiplying by 10, so I'm adding 1 0 at the end, and that would be 640. So for a number like 128 times 10, I would bring over the 128. Since I'm multiplying by 10, I would add 1 0. Remember, this is a number in the thousands place now, so I'm going to count 3 over, 1, 2, 3, and put my comma. So that's 1,280. That's my new number. I'm multiplying 9 times 10. The quick trick for this is take the 9, bring it over, and since I'm multiplying by 10, 10 has 1 0, I'm adding the 1 0. I end up with 90. For this one, 65 times 10, I bring the 65 over. Since I'm multiplying by 10 and 10 has 1 0, I put 1 0 at the end, and I get 650. For the last one, I have a 4. So I just bring the 4 over, 4 times 10, add the 1 0, and I get 40. It's the same as saying 4 tens, just like 65 times 10 is the same as saying 65 tens. 9 times 10 is 9 tens. 128 times 10 is 128 tens. So that's just a quick trick when you're multiplying by 10. Go ahead and try it out on your own.